So finally the innings comes to an end. Ali Zubas managed to get under 40 runs. We have to give credit to Sharat and his boys. They have pulled off things very smartly. Now especially restricting the opposition team of less than 40 runs. You got the match in your hand. Just need to get from 6 overs, 34 runs. It's looking easy at this moment, but you never know. You got plenty of bowlers. You can take that important breakthroughs from the initial 2 overs. It's all up to the bowlers now. Haji, the captain of IBC, needs to bring his main weapon. Needs to be used for the important breakthrough from the very first over. On the other hand, Sharat, the captain of our group, sending his 2 best batters into the middle. Tufan, are you going to bat first?
जीत तो जाओ भाई इंशाल्लाह सारे ले
Two opening batters. The front will start the innings. And to bowl the first over, is it going to be